Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Magic Nest. And in this video, we are going to solve this question, and we have a cube plus 3 time product of b square is equal to 14. And the second equation is a cube plus 3 time a square b. This is equal to minus 13, and we find the value of a and b. And in our question, it's given that a and b belong to a real number. So let's start. So focus on this equation. We call this equation 1, and this is our second equation. If we add these two equation, then we get this identity, which is, we know that a plus b whole cube, this is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3 time a b square plus 3 time a square b. So focus on equation 1 and 2. If we get these two equation, then left hand side will become this one, and we use this identity on left hand side. So we add equation 1 and 2. The left hand side is a cube plus 3 time ab square plus b cube plus 3 time a square b is equal to 14, plus the next value is a minus 13. So we use this identity. So this left hand side is equal to a plus b whole cube, and we solve this side 14. This will become a minus 13. So this is a plus b whole cube. 14 minus 13 is a 1. So in the next step, to remove this cube, we take a cube root on both sides of this equation. So we get a plus b is equal to 1. We call this is our equation number 3. We use this equation later. Focus on this first two equation. What will happen if we subtract these two equation? If we subtract these two equation, then here we get first equation is a cube plus 3 time a b square, and the second equation we subtract b square plus 3 time a square b is equal to 14 minus 13. So we expand this form. The a cube plus 3 time ab square minus, this is the cube, minus b cube, this will become a minus 3 time a square b is equal to, this will become a 14 plus 13. Now here we recall our identity, which is a minus b whole cube. As we know, this is equal to a cube minus 3 time a square b plus 3 time ab square minus b cube. So this implies this left hand side is this one. So this is equal to a minus b whole cube is equal to, now we add these two values, then we get 27. So in the next step, we take a cube root on both sides of this equation. So this will cancel, we just get a minus b, and the cube root of 27 is a 3. We call this is our equation number 4. Now our equation number 3 is a plus b is equal to 1. This is our equation number 3. Add these two equations, then this will cancel, and this first term will become a 2 time a, and 3 plus 1 is a 4. Now in the next step, divide this equation by 2 on both sides. So this 2 and 2 cancel. So here we get a is equal to, divide 4 by 2, we get 2. So this is the value of a. Now we find the value of b. For this we use equation number 4, which is a minus b is equal to 3, and a is a 2. So here we write 2 minus b is equal to 3. Add a b on both sides, then we get 2 is equals to 3 plus b. And in the next step, we subtract a 3 on both sides, so we get 2 minus 3 is equal to b. So 2 minus 3 is a minus 1. So in our question, the value of b is a minus 1.